Feeling a little less steady on your feet lately? Legs not as strong as they used to be? You're not alone, but you don't have to accept it as part of aging. If your knees ache, your balance feels off, or simple movements like standing up from a chair are getting harder, there's good news. You can change that right from your own home. No gym, no fancy equipment, just a few simple moves designed specifically for adults over 50 to help restore strength, improve balance, and ease joint pain. In this video, you'll learn a powerful yet gentle leg routine anyone can do, even if you haven't exercised in years. Done regularly, these exercises can help you walk stronger, move steadier, and feel more confident doing the things you love. Let's take back your strength. Starting now. Let's get started. 1. Glute bridge. Strengthen your core foundation. Your glutes and lower back form the foundation of almost every movement you make, from walking to lifting, even just standing upright. Weak glutes are a common reason many older adults struggle with posture and back pain. To perform a glute bridge, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground, hip width apart. Place your arms by your sides, palms down. Push through your heels as you lift your hips up toward the ceiling, forming a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold at the top for 15 to 20 seconds, squeezing your glutes tight, then lower slowly. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 reps. This strengthens the posterior chain, glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, giving you more control, better posture, and support for your spine. 2. Wall squat. Build endurance in your thighs and knees. Wall squats are a fantastic way to build thigh strength and knee support. Two things that directly affect how you walk, sit, stand, and climb. Stand with your back flat against a wall. Slowly slide down until your knees form a 90-degree angle, like you're sitting in an invisible chair. Keep your feet flat and knees above your ankles. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds to start, and gradually increase as you get stronger. Repeat this 2 to 3 times. Wall squats target the quads and glutes and are especially effective at building endurance in the muscles that support your knees, helping to reduce pain and improve overall leg function. 3. Standing calf raises. Reignite stability from the ground up. This exercise might look simple, but it's one of the most effective ways to strengthen the often overlooked muscles in your lower legs, the calves and ankles, which are crucial for balance and fall prevention. Here's how to do it. Stand near a wall or sturdy chair for support. Place your feet shoulder width apart and keep your posture upright. Now, slowly lift your heels off the ground, rising onto your toes. Hold at the top for 2 to 3 seconds to fully engage your calf muscles, then slowly lower back down with control. Aim for 2 sets of 10 to 15 reps to start. This not only strengthens the calves, but also improves circulation and joint mobility in the lower legs. Great for walking, climbing stairs, and avoiding ankle rolls or stumbles. 4. Bulgarian split squat. One leg at a time. Pain-free strength. Don't be intimidated by the name. This is a fantastic movement for strengthening each leg individually while also easing strain on the knees and improving hip flexibility. Stand a few feet in front of a chair or low bench. Place one foot behind you on the chair and keep your other foot firmly planted in front. With your chest up and core engaged, slowly lower your body until your front thigh is parallel to the floor. Make sure your front knee stays directly above your ankle. Don't let it push past your toes. Start with 5 to 8 reps on each leg and build up gradually. This exercise helps correct imbalances between legs, boosts overall leg power, and supports better coordination, especially when walking on uneven surfaces or climbing stairs. 5. Farmer's walk. Boosts stability and full body strength. Sometimes the simplest movements are the most powerful. The farmer's walk is an underrated gem for improving full body strength, posture, and balance. Plus, it mimics everyday tasks like carrying groceries, laundry, or even grandchildren. Grab 2 light dumbbells, water bottles, or cans, anything with some weight. Stand tall with your shoulders back and core engaged. Walk forward in a straight line for about 20 steps, then turn and walk back. Focus on staying tall and moving slowly with control. Repeat for 2 to 3 rounds. This exercise engages your grip, core, shoulders, hips, and legs, making it a full-body tune-up for real-life strength and stability. Now you've got 5 simple but powerful exercises that can help you regain leg strength, improve your balance, and move with more confidence every single day. Whether you're just starting out or getting back into a routine, these movements are safe, effective, and designed specifically for adults over 50. The key rule here is consistency. Stick with this routine 3 to 4 times a week, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your strength, stability, and energy start to return. If this video helped you, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on new content made for your health and wellness journey. Which exercise are you trying first? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how it's working for you, or if there's another area you want help with. You've got this. Stay strong, keep moving, and I'll see you in the next one.